Greetings, this is Sherry at Avinus Web Services, and this is our tutorial series on using WordPress to edit the content on your website. In this video, we'll show you the media section and editing content that is in a photo gallery on your website. Now, we've logged into the dashboard and we've clicked on the media section on the menu on the left-hand side. The media section shows you mainly the images on your website, but it can also show other types of media like attachments and videos and things. But in most cases, it refers to the images. Now, not only does it refer to images in your photo gallery, but you'll recall from our previous video, this image was on the About page. And these images here are some of the logos and things and the backgrounds that show up on the website. So all of this nice graphical content is easily viewable in the media section. If you click on one of these things, like this one, it shows you a large view as well as information about the file name, the type of file, the date that it was uploaded, how big it is, and some other meta information that you can type in here about your images. If you want a link that goes directly to this media file here, you can use the copy link section here, which gives you a direct link to opening that image by itself. You can delete and edit the images in here. I don't recommend deleting the images because these are used in various places on your website. If you know that you're going to be creating some articles that will have images on them, you can pre-upload the images into the media library with this Add New button so that you have them available to you when you're creating new blog posts or new pages. And the Add New section is simply a form. You can either drag an image off your desktop onto this box, or you can click here to browse your hard drive and select the file that you want to upload. Note that there is a maximum upload file size. Keep in mind as well that your website is hosted on your web hosting services, and in most cases, a hosting account has a limit of how much storage space you have on there. If you are planning on having a lot of very high resolution, large photography or graphic files, you should talk with Avinus about increasing your storage space or using a third-party image hosting service to serve these large high-resolution images from. Now, most of these images that we can see on this website are actually in the photo gallery section on the website. And this is it here. The photo gallery shows all your images in a nice overview. It lays them out nicely in an attractive layout here, but also you can click on a specific image and it brings up a slideshow view where you can click next, next, and flip through the pages, flip through the images. The nice thing about the power of WordPress is that a feature like this photo gallery is quite easy to create, and we don't have to code each individual image manually. Instead, we have a page that is set up with a photo gallery. Let's go under Pages. And photo gallery here is the page that we're looking at. But so here we have the title block. We have a text block. But then here, if I click on the edge of this block here, see if I can click it. There we go. You'll see that this is a gallery block type, which lets us add images into it and move them around. Yeah, move it around with the arrow buttons. I can delete it. I can type a caption into the bottom of this by editing it here. If I click the X, it will delete. I can move them around. But also if I click in between, or just kind of to the top here, oops. If I just click the block itself, then I get a view of the whole block. I can change the alignment, and I can set some settings under the settings sidebar here under block settings for this gallery block. I can change the number of columns that appear on the website, and that will resize your images accordingly depending on the number of columns that I want. And for this website, we've settled on a 3-column image. The thumbnails are cropped so that everything has a nice, attractive layout and they're all the same shape. Because a lot of times when we upload images, if we take the pictures with different cameras or different orientations, we can have image files that are a bit of a different shape. So this option crops these thumbnails so that they're all the same shape. When we want to add a new image to the photo gallery, we'll go to the bottom and there's an upload option here. If we click Media Library, it will open up our existing collection of images. We can click the upload option in order to add an image from our homepage. And down here you can see we can add another text and we can use the regular blocks that are available to us in the WordPress editor. When we add more images to our photo gallery and rearrange them, once we hit update on the gallery page, it will update the page on the website and it will regenerate this nice photo gallery for us. If you add a caption, you want to be conscious of the fact that if your caption goes too long, it might get cut off. Now, keep in mind that when I click an individual image here, on the side it says link to. This tells me if someone clicks on that, what do I want to link to? And I want to keep it as the media file because I want the thumbnail to link to the full-size image of this photo. So this is our photo gallery. It uses a gallery block type, which makes it quite easy to add these features into a website. In many cases, when Avinus creates a brand new website, we will take some of your gallery images and touch up the brightness or contrast on your photos to help them look their best. We might resize or crop them down to make them look good in your photo gallery. And if that's the case, then you'll see the edited images in your photo gallery on the finalized website. Now, keep in mind that if you delete one of these photos from the media section in WordPress, then it will delete from this photo gallery. And that is editing the media content on your website. So in these 3 videos, we've discussed logging in, editing your posts and pages, and editing the media files. I want to give one brief final word that there is a lot more that the WordPress software can do for you. If you would like additional features added to your website, for example, this website uses a custom contact form. You can see here that there is a contact form where people can type their message onto the website and they can send an email to the website owners. This website also has a Google map of the location embedded into this page. Features like this and other things that are available through the WordPress software or as custom development by Avinus are available to you as well. Just give Avinus a quick call or an email and we can discuss additional features for your website. If you have additional questions on top of what we've covered on these videos, please don't hesitate to let us know and we'll have a chat about it. Thank you for watching.